In this video, I want to talk about another hidden gem alert. Hidden gem alert called the Sandbox. This is one of the most hidden gem alert videos I've done on here based on the research. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel as well for more hidden gem alerts in terms that going to help your bank account, help your brand, help your research. Definitely want to subscribe to this channel because we break things down very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton, so let's go ahead and dive into this content right now. Now, Sandbox is sitting at 26 cents as in right now, and it's been as high as, 85 cents not that long ago. And you're probably wondering, what is Sandbox and how do I buy Sandbox? Well, check it out. Sandbox, let me go to the website and I'll show you exactly what Sandbox is. Sandbox is more about the video game atmosphere, the game experience. And this, I feel like, is the future of gaming. Play, create, own, and govern a world, a virtual world made by players. And if I go down and see, let me read you exactly what Sandbox is. It's a unique platform because it's introduced blockchain technology to the world of gaming. Absolutely. And that's in a nutshell what that is. Think about the gaming power, the virtual world allowing users to create, build, buy, and sell digital assets in the form of a game. And on their website, it looks like this. It's all about the interaction, the virtual experience. It looks very, very new, very NFTs is going to be involved in this, which is really big. Creating your own land. This is the future. This is the future of gaming. And when I looked at the Twitter page, they have over 118,000 followers. So it's growing each and every single day. And this is the last actually, information I believe they send out here about their gaming. There are a total of 166,464 lands in the Sandbox and not a nanovoxel more. So look at this. They even have a little video talks about this gaming experience. NFTs is all over the place when it comes to this. And they're getting partners, sales partners, the community's getting built. And you're probably thinking, okay, you're giving me some information. It's definitely a growing asset. How do I buy it? Click on the link below. You can get it on Gemini. I'm so happy it came on Gemini. I know it's on Binance, but I love Gemini. I'm the Gemini master. I do a lot of videos over Gemini and teaching people how to use that platform. So you can click on the link below to get access to do your research, and invest into the Gemini exchange. All you do is click on Gemini. And when you come to a page like this, you'll log in, you get started with Gemini. I do have the information, the link right below this video for you can go ahead and start purchasing Gemini as in right now. Now, going back to the Sandbox, go back to the Twitter page, is that they're kind of like one of those sleeping giants. They putting out information here and there. They're all about the gaming experience. They're all about the virtual experience. And it's one of those sleeping giants because I looked at the website here on the white papers, and it's really simple exactly what it does. It's all about the virtual gaming experience. The white paper is a really good place to do your research as well. It's on the website. So if I go down to here and you click on the white paper, it's at the bottom of the page here. Click on the white paper and you get to understand exactly what the white paper is. White paper really gives more of the history about what it does, the disclaimer, information about more in depth about exactly what the Sandbox.game does. And I like looking at the white paper because you get a chance to really understand where it was and where it's going as well. Another place I like on here is FAQ. You get to learn about the FAQ about it. You learn more about what Sandbox does. And you can click on here to learn more about it. What is the Sandbox? And you just kind of go a rabbit hole exactly what you're investing into, what it's all about. It's a virtual world where players can build, own, and monetize their gaming experience in the Ethereum blockchain. Now that's big. That last part right there. Anything with Ethereum blockchain, I'm definitely going to be paying more attention to. Anything that's involved in Ethereum blockchain, and even have a little teaser video here that explains more about it. But I'll have the website, thesandbox.com. You can check it out and you can look for yourself, do your research yourself. I'm just showing you some little things that I've kind of done the research on. I look at the website, I look at the Twitter page to see how active it is. I also look and see how many followers it has, and I see, what it does, what its use cases does, what is the problem they're trying to solve, and they want to basically have an interactive virtual game experience for all people out there. Then, of course, I go back and look at the price, and let me go back at the price of it and see what the history of the price, and like, okay, let me see what the price is and where it is. And basically, this thing has been 85 cents at one particular time. It's 26 cents right now. That, oh my goodness, the Sandbox, oh my goodness. And it just wasn't that long ago. If you look at this, about 85 cents, look at the 85 cents on Monday, March 29th. Monday, March 29th. I know it's a big correction happening right now. A lot of things are on sales in terms of assets in the crypto market space, but you still want to do your research. You definitely want to invest things that it's got a lot of potential and has things that's solving problems. And then I also look at the circulating supply. It's up there as well, but I like the Sandbox. I like what it's doing. Look at this, only 3 billion. Excuse me, the max supply. Max supply and total supply is only 3 billion. Come on now. That's got tremendous potential where that can go as well. It's got as high as 47 cents earlier today, and then it's dropped down to 26 cents. Oh my goodness. I know financial advice, but I will definitely be looking at some of this stuff here, price estimates. You can look at some of the stuff they have done before. So that's a little bit about the Sandbox. Take a look at it. Click on the link below. I will have the Gemini exchange link. Yes, you can get it on Binance and Uniswap, but look at Gemini, start your account on there. Look at the Sandbox as well. Look at CoinMarketCap as well, because CoinMarketCap does give you an overview exactly what these assets all about. It gives you what's coming in the news, what's the latest news, or the Twitter is a good place to go to and be a Twitter member. I'm going to follow them right now because I am a fan of the Sand. Absolutely, stand up if you're part of the Sand. And what I like about it here, you go right to the website right there, and it comes right there, and you get to learn about what it does. Buy your land, buy your land, buy your land. Take a look at it. I'm telling you, the Sandbox is going to be something to look out for as well. All right. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing as well. Take a look at the Sandbox. If you're interested in purchasing, investing to this asset, click on the link below. It's my affiliate link of the Gemini exchange. I am the Gemini master. So I advise you go ahead and do that. You also get there are some good things when you become a Gemini member there. There are some great things. Get signed up, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. I'll see you on the next video.